Hi there, Save with Crypto here. Okay, so can you do us a favour? If you haven't subscribed to this channel, can you please subscribe? Because I do good stuff here, and I've only gained about 10 subscribers in the last 2 weeks, which is pretty rubbish, really. So go on, be one of my next subscribers. And for those of you who are already subscribers, please make sure you've got the notification bell set to all, so you get notified of my timely updates. And yeah, all good. Anyway, give the video a like as well. Go on. Right, thanks a lot. Cool. Yesterday I was talking about the price of Bitcoin coming down into this green zone of nothingness, and I was surprised it didn't go further. Actually, we came down to wherever that was, 82.3 or something. Came down to there. I don't see why it reversed there, so I don't trust this kind of like relief at the moment we're having. I can't see any reason at all why that would have stopped there, really, unless it's some kind of Fibonacci type level, is it? Well, I suppose going from that low there to that high there, that means we actually touched the 0.5. The 0.5 actually isn't a real Fibonacci number, but sometimes it does go there. So maybe that was it, a 0.5 retracement, and then on the way back up we're going to struggle a little bit with this 382 at 88k. So yeah, I don't really know what to do, to be honest. I've been playing around with small trades, and last night I was actually in a long right down here, but I was going to sleep. I couldn't keep my eyes open any longer, and I just thought, if I don't close this now, I'm going to wake up in the morning in a massive loss or something. So I decided to just close the trade, with about $50 profit. So I was quite disappointed this morning to see the price come up about $3,000. But that's what happens, isn't it? I do think we'll go back down though, but maybe we will get some temporary relief. It came as no surprise that the Ethereum versus BTC was down the worst out of everything, really. But the good ones, I did notice CRO here. CRO is Crypto.com's token, and why has that popped up? Well, now that said, if you zoom out on CRO, the actual chart looks bloody awful. We had this massive rise up at the end of last year, up to about 23 cents. And we're back down to 7.5 now. But there is this little blip that we've had in the past sort of few hours, so that's good. Anyway, so maybe it is the start of things turning round. Anyway, what's it all about? Well, let's have a look on X. I mean, there is things that get teased, like, is this really for real here with Chris Marszalek and that fella there? Is that something important? I don't know. Anyway, what is important today is this here, where it's saying you can now fund your Crypto.com card using a non-custodial wallet thanks to Kronos Chain. Enjoy near-instant crypto top-ups. Spend crypto wherever the card is accepted. Now, for anybody who's been using Crypto.com, you probably know that you can sort of do this anyway, but what you have to do, in advance, you have to top up your card with crypto. So essentially, say you've got like Bitcoin, you actually sell your Bitcoin into fiat, whatever it is, pounds or euros, whatever. And then that just tops up your card with that amount. Now, the way this is going to work is you've got a separate app, which is a DeFi wallet, which has actually been around for a few years now. I must admit, I've used it a bit, and then I didn't really like it very much, so I didn't really use it, but maybe I will. And then what you do is you kind of link your Crypto.com card to this wallet thing here. I will go through this and do this at some point. I'm not in a massive rush to do it, though, to be honest, because at the moment, who would want to spend their crypto? I mean, Bitcoin's just had like a 20% pullback, hasn't it, or something? So, you're not going to want to spend your crypto now. So I think their timing of this launch is actually pretty crap, to be honest. But anyway, so I don't want to do this at the moment. Also, I have noticed that when you transfer crypto to fiat or vice versa, using crypto.com, the exchange rates are bloody awful. So yeah, I'm not in a massive rush to do this. But if you want me to do it, please do leave a comment down below and say you'd like to see that, and then I'll do it, and then we can see what it's all about. So that's what you can do with that. So I think this is going to be good for the price of CRO, because people will probably want the higher tier cards and they'll need to stake CRO to do that. And also for those people using the crypto.com exchange, if there are any, those people can get cheaper fees by having CRO, that kind of thing. So I think that's really cool that they got the app out to do that, and they've obviously done all the sort of paperwork with Apple and Google to get the app approved, which involves like a DeFi wallet bridging with traditional finance, which I know some other companies struggle to get done with iOS. So well done for crypto.com doing that. It probably helps by being a massive company and having loads of money actually. So bearing that in mind, it might be a good opportunity to maybe do a little trade with CRO. I'm a bit wary about trading altcoins at the moment, but if you did want to, looking at the chart here on the 1 hour time frame, it looks like that could have been a double bottom, and then we sort of go up from here. If you want to trade that, you can do it on something like Blofin. So with Blofin, you don't even need to sort of like own CRO. You can just have some USDT, and then you can do leverage up to 20x if you wanted. And to be honest, even if we just went back to the price it was at the start of the month, you'd be talking about something like a 50% increase. So even on 2x leverage, you could double your money. If you want to sign up for Blofin, we've got the trading competition going on at the moment as well, where we can win up to $5.6 million. I don't think we will, to be honest, but we are in the competition. I'm not sure how we're doing. 143, not too good. By trading volume, we seem to have 9 people trading now, which is good. So yeah, if you want to use Blofin, there are lots of really good sign-up bonuses as well. You get sort of money for nothing, really. You get extra money just for depositing, just for trading, that kind of thing. So you need to use my link, though, which is savethecrypto.org/Blofin. So please do use that if you can. Blofin, you don't have to do KYC, so you don't have to prove your ID, so you can do it from any country. I think if you're in some weird countries like the US, you might need to use a VPN to sort of get around the IP problem. But other than that, you just need an email and a password and you're off. So yeah, do use Blofin if you can. So that's about it for now. Looking at Bitcoin again, I don't particularly know what's going to happen. I still think we've got further downside to go. I mean, it looks like we've had like a little pull up here, but I can just see it sort of doing sort of like that and then that all the way down to 72.2k, and then we fill the CME gap and then maybe go back up then. Let's see. If you've got any thoughts about it, if you've got any thoughts about anything really, just leave it in the comments and I'll respond, as long as you're not a bot, and I'm sure you're not. It rhymes, that, doesn't it? But before you go, can you do us a favour? Put a big fat like on this video. Do make sure you are subscribed and you got notifications set on all. And above all, tell your friends.
Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet. If you can't find anyone to do your own research, you should do it yourself, like I did.